I've already touched on formats in previous episodes, but they deserve their own spotlight. Do you remember how at the beginning of the pandemic, many people imagined virtual conferences as giant Zoom calls? Now picture yourself sitting in such a Zoom call yourself without at least a facilitator. It will quickly become a giant disaster. Just imagine everyone greeting each other. We will be half an hour down the line. No, I really hope none of you have ever experienced a meeting like that. But back to the question, how should event owners use formats for best results? My name is Marcel Dekker. I'm Director of Client Accounts and Business Development at Kennis Group. Welcome to this week's episode of 2 Minutes in VirtuOz. VirtuOz is our wizard solution to virtual events, and with this series, I will be bringing you weekly insights directly from VirtuOz. When I say formats, what I mean is the different ways to deliver education at events. It can be through a live session that participants tune into to watch while it's happening, or semi-live, where you have pre-recorded material and the live component at the end of a session. Or maybe everything happens via Virtual Studio, which can support remote speakers through different presentation modes. The use of formats has to always be intentional and always be supporting the outcome of the session itself. We've all watched bad TV productions where the producers decided to show all they could do all at once. Well, the same is true for virtual events. Think of formats as more of an additional dimension that will aid your audience's focus and productivity while consuming the content. It will make it more movie-like, if you may. Use formats as a master chef uses salt in a dish. Make it tasteful. Always taste it yourself before delivering it to your audience. Thank you for joining me. See you next week for another 2 Minutes in VirtuOz and another quick tip. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.